Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add another user to your MailerLite account. Adding additional users to your MailerLite account allows you to collaborate on your email marketing with the team members and colleagues. There are 5 kinds of users that can be added to your MailerLite account. Administrator, have the full access to the account. Manager, have full access except they cannot export subscribers, access billing, or create or delete users. A viewer, which can only view reports. Accountant can only access billing, and a custom user. You can do that by selecting custom permissions for that user. To add a new user to your account, in the sidebar, click Settings, followed by Users. Click Add a new user. In the email address field, enter the email address of the user you wish to add to your account. Select whether or not you'd like to prompt them to change the password every 60 days. Select the user type and click Invite User to join. An automatic email will be sent to your user. Their invitation will remain pending until they click Accept Invitation. You can see all pending user invitations on your users page. You can also use this page to resend or cancel user invitations. To create or customize a custom user, go to Campaigns, which can have access to campaigns, subscribers, forms, and landing pages. Check the boxes to grant the user access to a specific feature. If you don't want this particular user to have access to something, leave the associated box unchecked. And that's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next one.